Hi everyone, today I feel very proud to introduce to you our Shetkar of Taligaon, that is Caesar Machado. He's been a custom officer for the last 34 years and he's been a farmer for the last 40 years. He's also represented Goa 9 times right from school days to college level in athletics. If you can see what his t-shirt reads, athletics. That is, he passed out from Don Bosco High School and then he did his high secondary and his college in SS Dempo. So, Caesar, it's such a pleasure to see someone right from the age of 5, I think so what you told me, right?
The age of 5.
At the age of 5, he started farming and he still continues. So, all these years that you've been a custom officer, that is a gazetted officer, did you not have friends who tell you like, why you need to do this farming?
A lot of friends have told me, why you want to do farming? I said it is my wish and this is a pleasure what we get in Taligaon. And this is the beauty of Taligaon.
So you can imagine all these years, every year you've been doing, right?
Every year I
have you missed any year so far?
No.
Not at all?
No. And in fact I have given the chance to everyone to cultivate these fields. Because this is all what I am doing is organic.
Very true. Organic farming is the in thing now, and I think so this is what COVID-19 also has taught us, that how important is food for our stomach.
Yes, what they are doing when they are selling, imagine one cucumber going down within one day, whereas a cucumber what I brought, for that it will not bend down. No.
Not at all.
Nah. And it is a very sad thing what is happening.
At present, right now.
Yes.
With our Taligaon fields.
Yes.
With the debris being dumped into the fields right now.
Yes.
Do you think you're happy with what's happening? Do you think the farmers of Taligaon are very happy?
I am not inclined to that, but what is going on is not good.
And it should be stopped right away.
Definitely.
And the panchayat, the government should support farmers, right?
Yes, the agriculture minister should give the advice to the agriculture department.
And all the follow-up, right from the flying squad, from where the complainant is made,
yes,
till whichever department it goes to.
Yes.
There has to be a follow-up and a proper action being taken. Do you think that farming also should be encouraged by the government?
Definitely.
At school levels?
Definitely.
We have so many schools around here and this is what we need. This is rice transplant. I mean, I as a mother who's been born and brought up in a city life has an opportunity to get this facility done here.
I don't have my father. I lost my father 40 years back, 42 years back. I lost my mother, but still I am continuing this thing because so that other small students should take cognizance of this.
So next time what we will do next year, we will get the children, we will make it as an activity, and not only with them but all of us will come down and also plant a little bit of the rice sapling into here. So today I have Rui with me, who's also a farmer in Taligaon, and he's been elsewhere too, but he's also come here to support. So thank you, Rui, for coming and supporting farmers like Caesar, who's also a gazetted officer and yet doing this thing. So people of Goa, please come down to the Mother Earth level. Take care of our fields. Do not dump debris or garbage waste into the fields because it's poison. Let's protect Mother Nature and let's encourage it for the generations to come.
Yes.